I'm gonna be honest, bro. Reselling is so easy. Bro, look, bro, I literally just made this in a week just off of reselling. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kenny back with another video. And if y'all read by the title, I'm going to be teaching y'all how y'all can start reselling in 2024. Now, I know I did this video in 2023, but a lot of stuff have changed. So I decided why not make a part 2 of this video. All the products that I say in this video, you can grab it from my Patreon, bro. I'm literally selling my supplier list for only $3. All these other wannabe resellers or guru resellers literally selling their supplier list for fucking an arm and a leg, bro. So the least I can sell mine is for $3. And I don't want to talk y'all head off, so let's get right into the video. Reselling is definitely a good thing for people that's just getting into the entrepreneurship space, and it's a good way to learn the market also. Now, so in this video, we're going to start off with different sections. The first section I'm about to talk about is what basically reselling is. A lot of people find this really confusing, and it's really not. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down. What reselling is basically, okay, say if you go to the thrift store, right? You find some cool gray 11s, right? And at the thrift store, they're $47. Just for example, you can literally clean them shoes up, relist them on eBay, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace and resell them for a higher profit margin, such as a higher price. So remember, you just got the shoes for $47. You can literally clean them up, list them on Facebook Marketplace, and resell them for $217. Now, a lot of people think this is illegal, but it's really not. I'm gonna give you an example. Now, the same thing with Nike. For example, Nike have overseas manufacturers. Now, Nike can pay them Chinese sweatshops almost $300 just to make shorts. Them shorts get imported back to the United States, and Nike can sell them shorts each for $300. So that gives you the answer. Reselling is not illegal, so please stop saying it. Okay, now in this section, I'm basically going to be telling y'all the top list of products that I'm personally reselling that's making me bank. Now, number 1 on the list, we have AirPods. Now, a lot of people say AirPods is saturated, and I can kind of agree with that, but it also depends on what area or what state you live in. I got a buddy that live in UK, and he's literally still making bank off reselling AirPods. So I can say reselling AirPods, it depends on what area you live in to make it saturated or if it's not saturated. Number 2 on the list, we got product glasses. Me personally, I never sold product glasses at all because when I looked at the market, it really wasn't moving at all. Okay, number 2 on the list, we got JBL speakers. Now, me personally, I never touched JBL speakers. I can say JBL speakers low-key came to the reselling game like when the AirPods was literally like just starting. So I can say I was like too much hooked on reselling AirPods. But yeah, I never touched JBLs. I definitely heard they still making money. You know, they still bringing in people money. But me personally, nah, I wouldn't even touch them. Now, number 3 on the list, we got AirPod Maxes. Man, when I tell y'all the profit margin for AirPod Maxes right now is insane. You can literally source the AirPod Maxes for like $100 and literally resell them on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, or eBay for like $300, bro, easily. Okay, number 4 on the list, we got denim tears. But be honest, a lot of people sleep on denim tears, but over the time, denim tears has definitely made me over $1,000. And a lot of people say denim tears is pretty saturated. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it all depends on your area. But yeah, me personally, I feel like denim tears is a W. Number 5 on the list, we got spider hoodies. Spider hoodies is getting saturated day by day because there's a lot of people reselling it. But remember, like I said, it all depends on your area. Me personally, I stopped reselling them because they was getting a little bit too saturated in my area. But literally, you can source these spider hoodies for like $70, $90 and resell them for like $150. Last but not least, man, a product that literally made me 8 bands in 10 weeks is the Beat Studio 3s, man. A lot of people sleep on these, but like I said, I became my own supplier, such as supplying other resellers. Bro, like I said, man, you can literally source these for $35 and you can resell them for like $210, man. In this video, I hope I helped a lot of you guys out. Like I said, if you guys want a list to all my products, they're literally in my Patreon. They're only $3, man. Like I said, it's up, bro. I just literally seen a guru selling their list for $50, bro. Come on, bro. You can't beat that, bro. They over whooping. Bro. Oh yeah, one more tip before we end the video off. when you start reselling and you get into the game more, start becoming other people's suppliers. Such as like, okay, say if you got a stack of AirPods sitting in your room, bro, start networking and start becoming other people's supplier, bro. That's how another way I made this, bro. Start becoming other people's supplier. If y'all don't know what I mean by that, is that basically selling in bulk. For example, what I did was literally sold 4 Beat Studio 3s to a reseller, and he literally paid me $420, bro. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And a lot of y'all been asking me to drop a day in the life, so I will be dropping a day in the life, because you know your boy about to get his car soon. I've been working towards that. So yeah, man, I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe and peace out.